Hey developers, welcome back to Rayyan. Today we are tackling LeetCode problem number 467 by the name of unique substrings in wrap around string. Ever wondered how to find unique substrings in an infinite cycle wrap around string? Don't worry, in this video I will break it down step by step and show you an efficient way to solve it. Stay tuned and let's dive straight into the solutions. So guys, in today's video we are solving a 467 question like I have told you into my introduction by the name of unique substrings in wrap around string. So first of all we understand the question carefully, yes, and then we will start to solving this. Okay, anyways, so now let's start. So we defined the one string base to be the infinite wrap around a string of a, b, c, d, e, f, g, h, I, j, k, l, m, n, o, p, q, r, s, t, u, v, w, x, y, z. So base will look like this: z, a, b, c, d, e, f, g, h, I, j, k, l, m, n, o, p, q, r, s, t, u, v, w, x, y, z. Then a, b, c, d, e, f, g, h, I, j, k, l, m, n, o, p, q, r, s, t, u, v, w, x, y, z, and then a, b, c, d. Okay, and then blah blah blah. So we would here I define a one string base to be infinite the wrap around string of a, b, c, d, f, g, h, I, j, k, l, m, n, o, p, q, r, s, t, u, v, w, x, y, z. So base will look like this. Here you can see it. This look like this. Now it will look like this. The base will. Now it is given a string by the name of s. It has been given me the one string by the name of s, which we have used in the solution. And our task is, what is our task? Our task is we return the number of unique non-empty substrings. Please highlight this word by the name of substrings because this is a very main word. Now here we return the number of unique non-empty substrings of s are present in base. So this is our task in today's video. Now we want to return the number of unique non-empty substrings of s are present in base. So there are three cases. Let me read it. So in the first case, here he created one string by the name of s in which he write a, and the output will be coming 1 only because only the substring a of s is in base. So now there is here he created one more string by the name of s. So here is output has been coming 2. Why? Because there are two substrings. How many? Two substrings a and c of s in base. So that's why. So in our case 1, our output will become 1. In our case 2, our output will become 2. And why it has been coming this type of output, I have already told you. So in our case 3, here he created one string by the name of s in which he wrote it down z, a, b. And the output will become 6 because there are 6 substrings. How many? 6 substrings. Z, a, b, z, a, b, and z, a, b of s in base. So that's why. Z, a, b and z, a, b, z, a, b. So there are 6. Okay. So I hope you understand. In our case 1, our output will become 1. In our case 2, our output will become 2. In our case 3, our output will become 6. And these are the constants which we have used to solve this question. S consists of lower English letters. Okay. So now let's start to solve this question. So first of all, I want to do it. Let's see the topic question about string and dynamic programming. So now let's start to write a code from starting, like all the people know if you see my all the videos. So I am writing a code from the starting, obviously. Okay, so now let's start. So first of all, I define a class of solution. So it has been already defined it in your LeetCode camp solution. Okay, now in the menu of if someone is solving these question of the LeetCode camp daily basis, so that people will know that. Okay, so def keyword find substring in wrap around string. It has been already written down in your file, in your this solving file. Okay. Anyway. So why I define here str means string, because s is a one string. Okay. So first of all, I define here n variable in which I am founding the length over s string. Okay, s string. So now when I do this, so I define here if statement n equals to 0. So I am not giving here any space because here I define an n variable, not any for loop and these type of thing. So here I will be give the space because in the fourth line here I define a if statement. Now return 0. Enter backspace. Now I am writing here dp equals to 0 multiply by 26. Enter. Then here I am finding the max length equals to 1. Then now here I am defining dp odd s then 0 and then give the space minus ord a. Now here I am write equals to 1. Now here I define a for loop I in range, and now we found the range 1 comma n. Enter. Now here I define if statement ord then s then I minus ord then s and then s then I minus then 1 equals to 1 for s I minus 1 then equals to set and s I then equals to a then semicolon 8. Now here I define max length plus equals to 1. Enter. So remove these codes. Okay, so we write here else statement in which I write max length equals to 1, then enter. Now here I am pressing backspace. Now I think so backspace dp ord s I. Okay, now space then ord then define here a equals to max dp ord and then s square bracket I then space then minus ord then a comma then we write here max then length. Enter backspace. So we return the output sum dp. So I write in my all the code. So let's see the running code. So first of all, let's recheck the code. There is not any error. So I think so there is not any error. If you want the hint, so you will also be see the hint. There is also be a hint. So I do not want to see a hint because I am an expert, like all the people know. Okay, so let's see the running code. So the running code is also be not correct. Okay, so now let's see. Now like this type of show off is not necessary because it will be but okay. Let's see now running code. Okay, now it has been accepted. You want to do it, select and then 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 select. Okay, so then it will be run. So when I run it, so here you can see our all the three cases are accepted. In our case, whenever output expected output has been 1 and my also output incoming 1. In the case 2, the expected output has 2 and my also output incoming 2. In the case 3, the expected output is 6, my also output incoming 6. And let's see the submission code. So when I submit this code, the submission of this code is also be correct. Here you can see it. We beat 55. We solved it in 55 milliseconds and I beat 53.63 people very easily. Yes, so I hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, so like, share, subscribe and don't forget to all the notification bell also, so you never miss these type videos on this channel. So without taking your any time, without taking any much time, let me meet you in the next class, next very amazing class like that type of videos. So now for today, goodbye.